God, in introducing the GO to me, who now is my father in the Lord, he said, send for my servant Adeboye, and I will have him lay hands on you. Now, God introduced him as his servant. So I received him as a man of God. And he came and opened up the future of the ministry without any natural discussion. Somebody still hearing me here? February 5, 1986, the Lord said to me, arise, get down to Benin and meet my servant there. What? Your servant? Person in the house? Your servant? He said, get down to Benin and meet my servant there. And I took off as usual the following day, ran down to Benin. And the Lord told him, inside this room, he said, get down to the door and open the door. There's a young man from the north. I sent him to you. He has had many bad things about you, but I sent him. And then when we sat down, I said, sir, by the reasons of what I've heard about you, I never thought we'd ever sit together. He said, go to me before you enter. You see, when you receive a prophet as a prophet, you encounter the prophet's reward. Please listen to me. If you listen to men, you'll be deaf to God. Those who listen to men hardly hear from God. If you want to hear from God, open your spiritual ears and hear. We are flowing in dimension of fortune today because of some things that happened. 1987, I placed a seed in this man of God. He didn't ask me. He didn't need it. God told me what to do. And as I placed that seed in his hand, to show that I didn't need it, he said, bring forth your hand. And he said, he put it back in my hand and said, I placed this seed back in your hand. He didn't count it. And I've just told him it's dollars. I didn't tell him how much it was. He said, I placed this back in your hand. And from today, this hand will never know dryness. That was November 1987. Receive a prophet as a prophet, and the prophet's rewards will be flowing unhindered in your life.
Welcome back to the Moment of Truth and Enlightening class. We are doing high jump today because we've been believing in all the lies they've been telling us. And I will prove it to you that all he said there was a lie. When they first started, this is their images, this is their pictures. They were all there. You see Oyedepo there. You see Wale Oke there. You see Adeboye there. They were all there at Idahosa's place. I think they just finished the session. They were waiting at the door. You see Oyedepo. He has always been the talkative, the talking types. See the way he was talking there, raising his hand and all that. Wale Oke was just standing there, quiet. Adeboye was just there, standing. How then God told him that there's a GO, he will be his father in the Lord, he should go and lay hands on him? It's a lie, because they never know that all these pictures will be on the internet, and there'll be a day like this that everybody will have access to all this information. Then see another video, another picture there. Idahosa Oyedepo is the one in white, and Wale Oke is standing there. So how come God now told him to go and meet Idahosa in Benin, that he never knew that they will be meeting together, they will know each other? It's a lie, Those are the lies they've been telling us. Then he now say he gave one man dollars. The man didn't check it. He just gave it back to him. That is how seed sowing started. All these lies. That's how they plan everything. That if you give to prophet, you will see prophet reward. Now lie, they are not prophets. They are money rituals. They are ritualists. As a matter of fact, from this video that you saw, you will know that they don't belong to Christ. They don't even know Christ at all. For someone to be lying like this, and we believe in their lies. All of us are doing high jump now. Okay, let's hear another video.
We had a violent breakaway in one of our foreign mission churches, with the pastor going away with both the church and the name of the church. You've seen that kind of breakaway before. that this church is now my own. And the name, say yes, the name. But Jesus prevailed. In that same nation today, we have about 300 churches. In that same nation. And the rebellious pastor lost the name and lost the building at the end of the day. Why? They don't know the source of our strength. If they do, they won't dare it. If they do, they won't dare it.
You heard him there bragging, the source of their strength, and I will expose him again. This is what he's telling the weak and other pastors that make them to be afraid of him. Look at this video. That's Adeboye's office. So you see all the images of people, the photo of people he puts there. Just to let people know that they are still connected. We are one. We are still together. He put everything there. So each day he will be looking at their images, passing through their images in his own office. So in his own office. The young ones that go to him for cover, for shield, for help, you will hear it from Fatoyinbo now. There's nothing there, my people. It's only mouthful, because I will let you hear him in another video now. Maybe that guy, he said he had 300 churches in that city. Now lie. Why is he not telling us the name of the city? Now lie. Maybe the guy just feel like, I don't want to do anymore or something like that, and is bragging. Stay tuned, my people. Or maybe they managed to kill the guy, because they kill a lot of people because of all these churches matter.
One day, I went to Papa. Like, I've never been there before. As I just drove to his house, when I came in, and I had the privilege to be with him, I just went flat. I said, sir, I know people come to you every time, and they ask you what's the secret. I said, me, I'm asking sincerely. How did these things happen? He didn't even flinch. He said, Jesus has not had to remind me of my tithe one day. I said, is that it? He said, yes. I said, you will hear from me. And I've always paid tithe. But by revelation, it was different. It was different. There are pastors that don't pay their tithe. There are churches here that don't pay their tithe. They don't even come to me to tell me offering was so amount. They must have removed the tithe. First, it's not mine.
You see what they are doing now? London's crusade. Look at all of them. They hire Wilson from America, all of them from all over the place. They will lure you there. Boju is there. And that's how they make their money. Conferences everywhere. And they will lie to you. Don't say it's there. They have to pay don't say as well. So they will lie to you. My people. And they will manage to get your purse, get your everywhere, get your skin, get your brain, get everything. Let's now hear Oyedepo. You see how weak he is now. Stay tuned to the end, my people.
Fulanis don't own Nigeria.
Ẹ̀yin Fúlàní láì kọ́ lórí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà.
I don't have a Fulani root.
Láíláí mi ò fẹ́ mọ bí Fúlàní náà.
I'm a born and bred
A
Nigerian.
bí mi lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, ọmọ Nàìjíríà sì ni mo jẹ́.
I don't have a visa to be here.
Nítorí náà n ò gbàwé ìrìnnà láti wá sílẹ̀.
Who call you owners of the land?
Ta lẹni náà tó pè ní lẹ́ni tó lórílẹ̀-èdè tá a wà
Fake.
nínú rẹ̀? Ẹ̀bù pátápátá
Fake.
ni. Ẹ̀bù pátápátá
Fake.
ni. Ẹ̀bù pátápátá ni.
This is not Fulani Republic of Nigeria.
Ibi ò kì í ṣe bí
It's
táàbù
Federal
lórílẹ̀-èdè
Republic of
àwọn
Nigeria.
Fúlàní ti Nàìjíríà lákòrílẹ̀-èdè.
Ẹ kó lọ lu yín. Pack your luggage and go. Palo Seco Pradesh Salaga. What?
Ó ti a rí.
You enter the church.
Ẹ wálẹ̀ wọnú ilé ìjọsìn Ọlọ́run.
You kill 50
Ẹ
people.
ti sọ pé pàádọ́ta ènìyàn.
And you think you'll be free?
Ẹ sì wá dé.
I told you, he has no power, he has no authority. All of them, they're just making mouth. They will scream like ordinary people screams when things happen. They will lament like ordinary people lamented when things happen. They kill 50 people inside the church. Fulani S-men went there. They kill 50 people. He did nothing. None of them. They only shout. They make noise. They rain curses. And then we go again and kidnap their pastors. And those pastors is the one that will just die, finished. My people, I hope you learned something today. Know God for yourself. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.